Hi everyone, I've got a Nissan Qashqai here, +2 on a 2013 plate. Now this is what it looks like. Now that's the display there. So what you do, you switch the ignition off. As you can see, the service is due now. So the way to reset it is this dial here, this button here you need to press. So if I press it once, if I press it again till I get to settings. Once I get to settings, I have to scroll right, go into maintenance, then go into service. I have to hold the button before I click it. If I click the button, it's not showing me anything. So what I do, I go back, I hold the button, it says reset, scroll down, hold the button again till the miles are changed. Even though don't hold it, just press it once, you press it again, confirm, you go back, you exit, you switch the ignition off, you switch the ignition on, and wait for it to see if it's done. Right, the maintenance light is gone now, so I'm just going to double check it. So if I go back into settings, keep pressing this, so scroll right, maintenance, go to service. As you can see, the service due is in 18,000 miles now. So if I go back again, you go into others. I honestly don't have a clue what that one is for, but I will reset. Sorry, I'll hold the button to reset it. Right, it's not doing anything, so I would leave that as it is. But to do the service, it's quite a simple procedure. What I just told you, that's what you need to do. Any more information, please do let us know. We'll try helping you out. Thank you very much. Goodbye.